on today, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. As you can tell, today I'm actually in my dad's 6.4, and the reason for that is I just dropped off a load at the landfill. He filled up our dump trailer, and I decided to go help him out and just take it down here for him. So, and then I was like, you know what the heck? I'm just gonna go ahead and do a video on his 6.4. This truck is a 2008 6.4 liter Powerstroke. And for the most part, it's actually been really good to us. Before we owned it, the truck was actually a work truck for an oil company. I know the 6.4 Powerstroke had a lot of issues, and I mean, honestly, just like the 6.0. So, but anyway, this truck has actually been really good to us. So it actually hasn't caused any major problems. So, knock on wood. About a year after my dad bought the truck, he finally decided to put a tuner on it and delete the exhaust. So it is a 5-inch turbo back exhaust, and honestly, it just sounds amazing. So I love the sound of my 6.0, but this has a great sound too. So, but it's been a great truck for us, and yeah, it's been a work truck, and we can tow anything we want it to tow. Like, I'll pull up some pictures right here. Like, we've had some heavy loads on this truck, and it's able to do all of it. Like, in my past videos, like, this truck was actually pulling my 6.0 whenever it's broken down. Honestly, let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Would you guys like to see more videos of this 6.4 and, like, doing stuff to it, or videos of the 6.0, or even any of my other projects? I know pretty soon I'm going to make a video about my buddy's 7.3. He has a 1997 7.3 liter F350. So I'm going to make a video about that because he just installed a new tuner on it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.